This is how you build a 4x6 Scrim Jim. Here's what typically comes in a box. We have 4 right angles for each corner and 2 of the extension rods to make our 6-foot sides. First, what we want to do is pick 2 of our right angles. Take these 2, take our extension rods, place them in each longer sides, making our 6-foot ends. And if you're building a 6x6 Scrim Jim, then you just need to do this 2 more times. Then we'll take our shorter ends, which will be our 4-foot side. Then we'll put that in our extension. Then go to our next corner, take another 6-foot end with our extension, put it in the end of their 4-foot section. Now we move to the other side. Place that extension back in there. Now our last side, our 4-foot side, put the corner in there. And the last corner goes like that. Reposition this. There we go. That is our 4x6 frame. Now what we can do is put on our scrim. Start at one corner. Tack that corner down with the Velcro and then move on to the next corner. By doing each corner first, it pulls all the different pieces together and ensures that they don't come apart. So now I'm going to go along the edges and place down the Velcro and make sure it's taut and secure. Now that we have our completed 4x6 Scrim Jim with our diffusion installed, we can mount it to the C-stand. This mount is specifically made for the Scrim Jim. You can do a similar setup with a Cardellini if you're in a bind. You can go vertically or horizontally depending on your needs. So in this case, on this diffusion, we have an opening here for our Scrim Jim mount to go onto the rails. And that's how to assemble a 4x6 Scrim Jim and mount it to a C-stand. If you learned anything from today's video, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm Sean, the Orlando Digitech, and you've been watching Pro Gear TV. If you have any questions or have anything in particular that you want to learn how to build or do on a commercial photo shoot, please let me know in the comments below. This video has been brought to you by Pro Gear Orlando, Central Florida's premier photo, grip, and lighting rental house. Centrally located near the Orlando International Airport, MCO.